Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools and the new headlight. This saves repeated stops. Once the hood is open and supported, disconnect the negative battery terminal so you don't fry electronics. Use a trim tool to pry off the plastic top cover. That exposes the two upper 10 mm bolts holding the headlight. Remove those bolts now. Do it deliberately so you don't strip them. Next, loosen any visible screws on the front of the wheel well to free the assembly edges. With the top bolts out, you need more clearance. Remove the bumper screws in the wheel well and the lower splash guard so the assembly can move forward. Once there's room, reach behind the headlight and unplug each wiring connector. Press the release tabs so you don't break plastic. Remove any retaining clips and unbolt the lower bracket if present. Pull the assembly straight forward while supporting its weight. This prevents cracking the lens or bending the mounting tabs and lets you inspect for hidden fasteners. You're finishing up. Position the replacement headlight so the mounting tabs align and seat it fully into the opening before reinstalling bolts. This prevents misalignment. Reinstall the upper bolts, lower bracket, splash guard, and bumper fasteners in reverse order, then reconnect each wiring harness so every connector clicks. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test low beam, high beam, and turn signals. If the aim is off, use the adjustment screws to center the beam. If connectors fail, recheck pin alignment and secure ground connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.